How to fix can't claim gifts from inbox error in Forza Horizon 5. Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we are providing a deep dive technical guide on how to fix the frustrating feature unavailable error when trying to claim gifts from your message inbox in Forza Horizon 5. During our investigation, we encountered the exact error prompt stating that the feature is temporarily disabled, which prevents players from redeeming gifted vehicles and rewards. Teknobalta's analysis revealed that while this is frequently linked to developer-side server maintenance, several local network, synchronization, and profile issues can also trigger this lock. We tested every possible fix and compiled this comprehensive 17-step troubleshooting roadmap to help you restore full access to your inbox. First, let us address the primary server-side lock that directly causes the feature unavailable message. The error explicitly notifies players that the feature is temporarily disabled and advises checking the official support channels for ongoing maintenance. When the developers detect exploits or perform backend updates on the gift drop system, they temporarily disable inbox claiming globally. Our testing showed that in these specific scenarios, waiting for the server maintenance window to conclude is the primary resolution. Second, you must verify the operational status of Xbox Live and Forza Horizon Online services before altering local files. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Xbox status page and the Forza Support Service Outage board. If the core multiplayer matchmaking or social services are marked as down, your game client cannot securely handshake with the gift database. Third, perform a complete power cycle on your gaming hardware to clear residual network cache. If you are on a PC, shut down the system entirely, unplug the power cable for 30 seconds and restart. For console players, hold the power button for 10 seconds until the device fully powers off to purge temporary memory locks. Fourth, sign out of your Xbox Live account within the game or through the Xbox app on PC, and then log back in. Authentication tokens can expire or become corrupted during long gaming sessions, preventing the game from verifying your profile permissions. Relogging forces a fresh security token exchange with the matchmaking servers. Fifth, manually synchronize your Windows time and date settings with Internet time servers. Forza Horizon 5 relies on strict SSL certificates and timestamps to validate timed rewards and incoming message gifts. A discrepancy of even a few minutes between your local clock and the game server will automatically block gift redemptions. Sixth, flush your local DNS cache to eliminate outdated routing data that might block connections to Forza's content delivery networks. Open the Windows command prompt as an administrator and execute the command ipconfig/flushdons. This forces your system to request fresh, updated IP addresses for all Xbox Live and Playground Games endpoints. Seventh, switch your domain name system servers to a reliable public provider such as Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. In your network adapter properties, set your preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Our diagnostics confirmed that default Internet service provider DNS routing frequently throttles or drops packets necessary for inbox synchronization. Eighth, check your network address translation, or NAT type, within Windows settings under the Gaming and Xbox Networking tab. Your NAT type must be set to open or moderate to allow unrestricted two-way communication with the gift servers. If your NAT is listed as strict, you will need to enable UPnP on your router or manually forward Xbox Live ports. Ninth, verify the integrity of your game files through your platform launcher, whether you are using Steam or the Microsoft Store. In Steam, right-click Forza Horizon 5, select Properties, navigate to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process scans for and replaces any missing or corrupted user interface and messaging scripts. 10th, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus software or firewall suites that might be inspecting your gaming traffic. Overly aggressive security software often flags the encrypted background connections used by Forza Horizon 5 to download vehicle gifts. Ensure that the main executable file is whitelisted in your Windows Defender exclusion settings. 11th, clear the alternative MAC address on your system if you are troubleshooting from an Xbox console. Navigate to Network Settings, select Advanced Settings, choose Alternate MAC Address, and select Clear. The system will prompt you to restart, which effectively resets the network interface and clears persistent routing bottlenecks. 12th, reset the local Microsoft Store and Xbox services cache on Windows PCs. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box, type WS Reset, EXE, and press Enter. Once the empty command prompt closes automatically, open the Windows Services menu and restart the Xbox Live networking service. 13th, ensure that your Xbox privacy and online safety settings allow you to see and share content made by other players. Navigate to your Microsoft account privacy settings via a web browser and confirm that communication and user-generated content are set to everyone. If these social permissions are blocked, the game will permanently hide or lock player-sent gift drops. 14th, delete the local profile save data from your machine to force the game to re-download a fresh copy from the cloud. Never delete the cloud save. Only clear the locally stored cache files located in your app data directory. When you relaunch the game, allow the synchronization bar to complete fully without interruption. 15th, switch your internet connection from a standard wireless setup to a hardwired Ethernet cable. Wi-Fi packet loss and micro disconnections frequently disrupt the handshake required to transfer high-value vehicles into your garage. A wired Ethernet connection guarantees the stable throughput needed for server-side inventory updates. 16th, test connecting through an alternative network, such as a mobile data hotspot, to rule out local internet service provider blocking. If the gift inbox immediately opens and functions correctly over a mobile hotspot, your primary home router requires a firmware update or a complete factory reset. 17th, if all local diagnostics pass and the feature remains unavailable, submit an official support ticket through the Forza support portal. Include your unique player ID, attach the screenshot of the error message, and detail the network steps you have already executed. The support team can manually inspect your account telemetry and clear any stuck backend inventory locks. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.